Most people who find Golden Dawn magic never actually practice it. They collect books, they bookmark the videos, they know the theory, and then nothing changes. Not because the system doesn't work, because nobody ever told them what to do first. Something has been building here for a very long time. Over 100 videos, every grade, every ritual, every formula, structured, sequential, alive. The MageSpace Golden Dawn course is open. If you've been practicing for a while and something still feels missing, it's probably not the rituals, it's the sequence. Golden Dawn magic is a sequential initiatory system, and it has to be practiced that way. The problem with occult education has never been a lack of information. There's a lot of information out there. Books, courses, forums, YouTube channels, a fractal of content with no center. You can spend years in that maze. Many do. What was missing was a path, not a collection of techniques, a path. The Golden Dawn is a grade-based initiatory system, one of the most sophisticated magical training systems ever assembled, designed to be practiced in a specific order for specific reasons. Breathwork, Qabalistic cross, LBRP, middle pillar. They build, each one conditioning the subtle body for the transmission that follows. That's what this course is. Over 100 videos, beginning at the Neophyte grade, the foundation of everything. Fourfold breath, Qabalistic cross, LBRP, middle pillar, Neophyte meditation. These rituals become your daily practice, your anchor, your baseline for every operation that follows. From there, Zelator, earth, the body in Asya, the hexagram ritual of Saturn, invoking and banishing the 4 powers of earth, moving the current through the body. Theoricus, air, the body in Yetzirah, Moon and Saturn, the astral body beginning to wake up. Practicus, water, the body in Bria, Mercury, Jupiter, the emotional body coming online. Philosophus, fire, the body in Atziluth, Venus, Mars, the will sharpening. And the portal, the fourfold body of light, the supreme invoking ritual of the pentagram, the solar current, the threshold between the outer order and everything that comes next. The heart of this system isn't any single ritual. It's the daily grade formula. It's a living sequence, assembled from everything learned in each grade, practiced every day. That is how the system reshapes you, through practice. This is for you if you've been drawn to Golden Dawn magic and want to actually practice it. If you want to know exactly what to do today, if you're willing to move slowly, to repeat, to let the work accumulate. This is not for you if you want to binge every ritual in a weekend, if you're looking for results without practice, if what you really want is entertainment. The system rewards consistency. Each grade unlocks only after the foundation is built. That's the architecture. A current at a specific voltage requires a specific wire. Build the wire first. There are 3 ways to enter. Essential foundation, the Neophyte and Zelator grades, the core of everything that follows, for those who want to begin correctly. The Streamlined Initiatory Path, the full grade sequence through Practicus. Moon, Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, daily formulas through the water grade, for serious students. The complete ritual system, everything through portal grade, future editions, supplemental material, the full transmission, for those who are devoted. The links are in the description. 3 paths, 1 system. The question that started all of this was always the same. Where do I start? Start here. A clear sequence, a guided path, a living practice. 1 ritual at a time, 1 grade at a time. The work is ready. Are you?